Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to create repair order from the work order form via manufacturing. So let's see about that. You can see here our module Dev Repair from work order. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to manufacturing, go to work orders, go to any work order and see here this button for create repair. Click on add product like a screw, add quantity, set unit of measure, add customer like a Azure, add date of warranty expiry, the 30, set tags like a tag 1 and select parts, product SKU, set location, destination location, set quantity, unit of measure and unit price. Now click on this create repair order. So see here now our order is created. Click on and see here our details. Thank you.